Podcast Network Asia.
B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I Bini! Podcast na mga walang jowa!
Two, three. Mabuhay! I'm Beanie Joanna.
Hey everybody, I'm Beanie Aya.
And we are Beanie! Grabe, nakakapanibago.
Yeah. And can I just say, I love how, kasi diba, we're so used to now, we're singing and dancing, and we're always moving around. I mean, we're also moving, pero this time, it's more laid back.
True. And
Yeah.
usap lang talaga. Alam mo yung parang
Yes.
wala tayong audience. It's just
Yeah.
you and me.
And our thoughts.
Yeah.
And our situational experiences and everything inside.
Na, first time natin gagawin. Kasi alam mo yung parang hindi naman to normal. Lalo na sa ating P-pop idols. Alam mo yun.
Parang
Parang
like love in general.
Oo.
Parang very taboo siya, 'di ba? Na to talk about for our idol.
Sa world natin.
Na ganun
Oo.
life.
And
diba?
masaya kasi nabigyan tayo ng chance, alam mo yun, to let's normalize this topic. Kasi parang normal naman siya. Tao rin naman tayo. Yes,
True.
idol tayo. Pero tao rin naman tayo. Na-in love din naman tayo.
Yeah.
Nasaktan din naman tayo.
We're born to love din naman.
Yes.
Tao din tayo na pwede, it's free to love din naman. Kaya let's talk about love.
Parang dami mong baon. Parang dami mong baon. Okay. So, yung topic natin, interesting siya kasi parang famous line to na, thought ka.
Oo. According to
From the
pa,
song.
ni Katy Perry.
Yes.
In another life.
Favorite.
Oo.
Parang may bubog ka talaga sa kantang to.
Yeah, favorite word ko siya before. Ay, yung thought ka. Char.
Ay, may thought ka. So, sige. Lagot ka sa akin.
Pero wait
Hiling
lang.
kita.
Ikaw ba? Let's start with, defining what is love. Kasi, di ba, hindi natin masyado na pag-usapan yung ganito. So, let's start with, what is it? Like, what do you understand with love?
Ako, love. Ang hirap naman ng tanong mo. Pwede na lang, paano ko malalaman kung bahal ko na isang tao?
Sige,
Okay.
anything about love.
Paano ko nakikita kung love ko
Yeah.
na isang tao? Siguro, kapag my friends and family are happy dun sa decision ko. Syempre, bukod dun sa love ko talaga siya, gusto ko agree din yung family and friends. Kasi syempre, di ba, bukod sa akin, sila din yung nakakita ng what's best for me.
True.
And yung trust, nandun yung understanding. Siguro yun.
Yeah, like, happy ka, happy all.
Yes.
Ganon.
Yung hindi ko kailangan baguhin yung sarili ko. Hindi ko kailangan mag-lip tint kapag makikita ko siya.
Yung accept ka in
Oo,
your
kahit
whole
anong-
flaws.
Yes,
Yeah.
yun. Yun doon ko malalaman if eto na, love ko na tong taong to.
True.
Ikaw?
Ako naman, simple. If true love or, basta for me, there is love when there's peace. Kasi, alam mo you don't even have to try. Kasi, you're at peace, you're calm, and
Yes.
there's so much love kahit ganun.
Yung parang, paano ba? Hindi trying hard. Hindi ka na
Oo.
nagtatry hard na, ay, ganito yung standard na gusto niya, ganito yung gusto niya sa babae.
Yeah, and hindi ka bothered lagi.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo yun na feeling. Like, it's just at peace. Ganun.
Gets.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah.
example with work. I love what I'm doing because I feel at peace. Parang
Mm-mm.
ganun din. 'Di ba? Love equals peace. That's how I see it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sige nga. Sige, may question ako.
Oh,
Wait lang.
go.
Actually, nag-take down ako ng notes. So, yung topic natin, ayun nga, nandyan siya. Thought ka,
Thought
right
ka.
person, wrong time. Naniniwala ka ba sa right person, wrong time?
Ako, right person, wrong time. I used to believe in that before. Kasi, parang,
Go na!
I used to believe in that before kasi I had an experience na I met this guy and we complement each other very well. Wala kaming fights kasi we're very compromising. It's just that yung problem namin that time is the timing. Parang I was younger back then, pre-Beanie days. Yeah, I was younger, and then parang for me, I was in a point where I'm still starting, like ang dami pang nangyayari, ang dami pang kailangan. I have to parang iba pa yung priorities ko that time. Not love pa na romantic
Bata
love.
talaga. Alam mo yung,
Yeah.
nandun ka pa sa stage na nag-explore ka pa.
And you're still building yourself. Kasi siya that time, parang mas settled siya comparing sa akin. So, yeah. Pero, you know, I used to believe in that na parang, baka ano siya, right person, wrong time. And then maybe he'll just come back and then we'll see each other again and then he'll be the right person. But you know what? There's the saying na the right person will be timeless for you. Like, there's no such thing as wrong timing. Because if he or she is the right person talaga. Like, you won't even think na, ano ba, like, is he right for today? Like, hindi mo yung isip. Kasi, yun talaga. He's the one, ganun. How about you? Do you believe in
Ako yan.
right person?
Right person is timeless. Kasi, right, paano mo masasabing right person kung may mali nang, alam mo yun, kung may mali na nangyayari. Parang, kung mali yung timing, feeling ko kasi nabubulag tayo dun sa fact na, ako lang naman to feeling ko nabubulag tayo dun sa fact na dahil mahal mo, sige, tamang tao, ang pipiliin mong mali, yung nangyayari sa paligid. Gets ba? Dahil mahal mo yung tao, nabubulag ka dun sa fact na tama ka, mali lang yung mga nangyayari sa paligid natin. Pero what if, mali na talaga yung taong napili mo that time?
Yeah, minsan kasi with love, I believe love is blind. Kasi parang when you're so, especially when you're so caught up in the moment, kasi you really love the person, di ba? Parang, lahat ng red flag maging pink.
Totoo.
Kasi love mo yung person, tanggap mo siya, gano'n. Walang red flag, gano'n.
Tapos, kapag nawala kayo, dun mo sabihin na,
diba?
ganyan kasi yan, bakit nga
dun
gano'n,
mo pa ma-realize. Kasi, like example, when you step out of it, dun mo pa makikita lahat. Dun pa mag-o-open yung mga mata mo. Wow. And then, yeah, nga, bakit kaya gano'n?
Alam mo,
that is love. Love is confusing sometimes. Questionable sometimes. Pero that's love. But, I have a question. Matagal mo na ba na, parang narinig yung term na totga? Or like, right person, wrong timing?
Actually, until now, medyo nako-confuse pa rin ako kung ano nga ba talaga yung totga. Ano ba yung totga ba, yung maayos kayong nag-end? So, totga mo siya? Or totga pa rin ba yung tawag sa nag-end kayo ng
in bad terms?
Oo, in bad terms. Yun, medyo nako-confuse pa rin ako. Pero siguro sa experience din, wala pa rin na talaga akong experience sa totga. Siguro, itry ko bukas. Tinry. Naka-experience ka na ba?
Ako? Yun nga, akala ko na, kasi, okay, before,
bigyan mo ko ng specific na
situation.
Situation na. Go.
Sige. Let's say for you, you met a guy, and then, kasi,
experience mo
experience ko? sige. Okay, example. So, like, okay, what can you say? So, I met this guy before, and then, we complement each other very well, and then, he helped me, I help him, we grow together.
Wait, so nasabi mo before na hindi kayo nag-away, di ba? Parang hindi kayo masyadong nag-away. Sa tingin mo, okay yung ganun? Or, kasi ako parang...
Kasi yung iba mas gusto nila may away
to grow.
Kasi
to grow, Kayo ba?
Depende. Kasi, how I see it in relationships, dapat, when you have fights, it should be not between you guys. It should be both of you. Between a different, parang it's you and the other thing. That's a fight na healthy for me. Hindi yung kayo dalawa nag-aaway. Feeling ko, if may ganun kayo early signs of the relationship, parang that's, yun yung red flag siguro. Oo, red flag na yan. Kasi, that's hard. You have, I guess that's something na internally you have something to work on. Yeah. But, yeah, back to situation.
Go.
Sige. So, let's say, I used to have a guy before, and then we complement each other very well, and then yung family niya gusto ako, yung family ko naman, well,
sakto lang.
sakto lang. Well, because I was I was younger.
Pero legal.
Ano? Ano, like, alam mo yung there, but not there yet.
Tita, si ate ayaw.
Hindi, alam nila yung guy, pero hindi siya official.
Gets.
Not yet that time. Parang hirap no kasi parang malaman ng the one, hindi pa pala ano.
Actually, no? Parang,
Or
kailangan
maybe,
mo parents.
or maybe because you're so blind na pag first mo na na encounter na something love or romantic relationship, parang akala mo the one na agad.
Mm-mm.
Ang daming ganon. Like, first nila na feel na love from someone. Eto na, the
Oo.
one.
Siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko. May ganun kaya, di ba? Parang, siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko. Hala, tapos parang sabihin nila, nakikita ko na yung sarili nila, naglalakad daw sa aisle ng simbahan.
Mga
Totoo
hopeless
ba?
romantic like
Diba?
me. Ay! But, yeah, okay, ito. So, let's say, yun, like, you're going so well. Pero, kasi, siya, mas settled na siya
Mm-mm.
kaysa sa akin.
Kasi, mas, siya, older siya sa'yo.
And she has, pwede naman she, di sure. Hindi, he has, parang, well, he was working na that time. And ako parang, I'm new to, to the adult life. Parang, I just started making money on my own, parang ganun. Pero siya, he's really in that stage na parang, it's so easy for him to decide things.
Mm-mm.
Ganun. So, yun, never kami nagka-problem, never kami nagka-away. Pero, it's just that's why, nawala. Di ba, it's so questionable how, hindi kayo nag-away, pero, ba't nawala?
Oo.
Di ba? And it's because, yung time na yun, so, how things splitted is that, kasi settled na siya, and because he loves me so much, yun nga, he wants na,
Lahat bigay sa'yo.
he wants na I go with him,
Mm-mm.
like, sama kami, ganun, and then I leave my job.
So, parang,
Pero ako ayoko naman.
sa lahat
kasi,
ng decisions niya, nasan yung sa'yo?
oo,
Parang
yun
ganun.
yung na-feel ko. Kaya
Ah.
siguro, yun na naging reason kung bakit
Mm-mm.
wala. Kasi ako din, I don't wanna be dependent on someone.
Mm-mm.
Even if parang, like, wow, thank you because you thought of that, na you care for me, na you want to be the provider for me. Pero, I want to do something din naman for my own.
True. Tama naman.
And why can't we do something for each other and also do something na we both want separately? Tapos yun yung naging breaking point namin. Kasi, he was like, I want you to be with me. Like, I can provide for you. Ganon, ganon. So, ikaw, what do you think about it?
Feeling ko, okay na rin na nawala kayo. Kasi pag naman nag-split, hindi naman,
So, you're happy for that? no, sige.
kasi hindi naman, ibig sabihin na nag-split kayong dalawa. Nag-split na. Ano naman yun eh, parang ako nakikita ko siya as positive pareho. Posible kasi na pinag-meet kayo
Mm-mm.
para lang tulungan mag-grow yung each other. Para ready kayo sa next relationship nyo.
Yeah, actually ganun nga no. Yun din nakakita ko. Kasi it's either, so how I see din with Totga, parang example, hindi kayo and ang dami ko mga friends na ganito na experience nila. So like example, at first you were in a relationship tapos biglang nawala. Tapos the one that got away, 'di ba? Or right person wrong time. You will know, and ang daming parang nag-meet sila again and sila nagkatuluyan. You will know if that person is the right person when kahit ang dami pang nangyayari in between, hindi kayo nagkita, a lot of years has passed by. Kasi sabi nila, pag kayo talaga meant to be, hahanapan talaga kayo ng way for you
True.
to get back with each other. And if hindi man, it means he wasn't the right person after all. And yung na-experience mo together, even if it's sad na nag-break kayo, pero ano pala, parang naging preparation pala or naging you grew something from it. You
Para
learned
maging
something
ready
from it.
ka.
Yeah, to prepare you for someone na right person pa pala for you.
Yes. Pero sa
Yeah.
case mo, if ever lang
Are you asking me na, is he gonna be the right person in the
Hindi.
future? Ganon?
if ever lang, na mag-try ulit siya, tinanong ka to
Okay.
go out on a date,
Uh-huh.
papayag ka ba?
In this point in my life, I am in my healing stage. Oh, chika. No, pero, yeah, so, years has passed by when that happened.
Madami na nagbago.
And I realized, I thought before na parang,
May chance pa.
I wasn't, nung time na nawala kami, parang I was still hopeful. Na parang I told him na, this may be an end for us, but I don't see this as a total end talaga. Kasi, as long as I'm living, you're living, we might see each other in the future.
Ang small
ganun.
world, nasa isang lang kayo, nasa isang place kayo. Cebu. Cebu din.
Ay! Sorry. Okay. Okay lang.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Okay lang yan kay Ate Aya, ano ba? Baka mo pa na yan.
Oo. But yeah, that has happened like years before pa. And ayun, akala ko na parang, I'm still happy. Baka mag-meet kami in the future because that's how much I really love him. And I love you. I'm willing to let go of you first for now so I can work on myself. You can work on yourself. But I'm still hopeful because maybe, baka magkita pa tayo in the future. But then, time has passed.
So parang hindi mo kino-close yung doors?
Yeah. Before.
So kinlose mo na ngayon?
Kasi ayun, I realized, and nag-connect siya with yung pinag-usapan natin before na when you're so in love, parang you think na everything is a fairy tale, lahat ng red flag, di mo nakakita.
Yes.
And that time na parang hindi na kami, and I stepped out, and then looking back to what we had, parang dun ko na-realize na it's really a reason kung bakit din hindi kami nagkatuluyan. Kasi, even if we were complimenting each other, pero yung mga goals namin hindi nagko-compliment pala. Yeah.
Yes.
Kaya we had that separation of path. Ganon. But yeah, and then I realized na
Hindi talaga.
baka that is just meant to happen in preparation for the other person the right time. And siya, parang nakahanap na siya ng person eh. And I'm the happiest. Like, ako din, if you love someone, you only wish their happiness, di ba? So, kung saan masaya yung tao, I'm all for that. So, ayun.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm happy on my own din. I'm, like, where I am right now, I'm happy because even if ganun yung mga nangyari sa amin, but I learned a lot. So, that's what's important for me.
Parang
So,
parang, yung sinabi mo yan, parang I'll always want what's best for you, even, parang, kahit wala na ako dun. Parang, even,
sometimes love doesn't mean na kailangan kayo dalawa lagi. Kaya nga, may mga yung mga platonic, di ba? Hindi sila together, pero there's still love in it. Like, it's better as friends. Pero there's so much love. Alam mo yung ganun? Kasi most people, when they think about love, dapat kayo talaga magkasama. Dapat romantic relationship talaga siya, di ba?
pero minsan pag naman, alam mo yung pag matagal na kayo, may point talaga siguro naman sa relationship na mawawala yung kilig. Pero
I think it's
hindi naman
normal.
ibig sabihin nun,
Hindi mo mahal yung tao.
hindi mo mahal yung tao. Normal na kasi alam mo yun, matagal na kayo and nasanay na kayo sa sa isa't isa.
Oo.
Yes.
Nakapagod na kayo makita yung mga pagmumukha.
Feeling ko posible din na gano'n, no? May mga ganong times. Pero kung mature din naman kayo mag-isip, siguro, pwede mo sabihin na, pwede, I need space. Pwede sa friends muna ako. Pwede naman gano'n.
Okay,
Ang
wait.
hirap, no?
So now that I've talked about mine, I want to ask you, may experience ka ba or something with thought ga right person, wrong time?
Cut na po. Charing, joke.
Grabe ka.
Totga.
Tita.
Hindi kasi nila alam.
Ala.
Hindi, alam nila to. Pero hindi kasi ako vocal before. Naging open lang din naman talaga ako sa parents ko na naging beanie ako. Eh, nangyari to, pre-beanie. So, hindi nila alam to. Ang alam nila, puppy love lang. Pero hindi nila alam na parang umabot ng 2 years yung talking stage. Ganon. So, ayun, kaya ko in-example yung feeling ko, siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko kasi akala ko talaga siya na sobrang bata ako mag-isip nun.
Uy, pero alam mo, common yan dati. Kasi akala ko din like, yung mga ganun na thought, like mga signs na pag siya yung makasama mo to go to your graduation, mga ganun, di ba? Akala mo the one na agad.
Yung hihingi ka pa ng signs, hello, totoo ba yung hingi ka ng signs? Lord, kapag lumubog na yung araw na gano'n.
So, naka-experience ka na ba ng ano? Like, sabi you met someone na parang, this is the one na ba? Gano'n.
Feeling ko kasi sobrang, syempre bata pa ako mag-isip. Kapag may common kami, may common things, yun, feeling ko meant to be na, binibilang ko talaga siya. Hala, pareho
may
kami.
lista ka pala, no?
Pareho kami solong anak. Shucks, ito na yun.
Hala, pareho kami ng birth month.
Oo, ganun. Diba? Parang, binibilang. Pero ano naman, siguro maganda rin na nag-start kami as friends. So, ngayon, tropa-tropa talaga. Kapag uuwi, walang ilangan.
So, you consider that as the one that found it?
Hindi.
Ay,
kasi,
sorry, boy.
syempre, yung love naman, nakikita mo siya kapag hindi lang puro kilig, nakikita mo din yung tao na yun. Alam mo yung sa future makakasama mo. Sa kanya kasi hindi eh. Talagang naiilang ako pag nakikita. Parang wala pa sa akin that time yung nakikita ko siyang lalakad kami sa simbahan.
Well, kasi you were still so young.
Oo, yun naman.
You were
so,
younger.
hindi ko siya i-consider na totga.
Ow.
Yes, sorry. Pero eto, may tanong ako.
Okay.
Meron akong napanood na celebrity sila. Celebrity couple. Tapos, parang, okay sila. Good term sila. Pero yung isa, sinabi na iba yung totga niya. Okay ba sa'yo yun? Halimbawa, tayo. Good terms tayo. Okay. Pero, in-interview ako, sinabi ko sa interview na, ang totga ko,
ganun?
ay siya. And we're together that time.
Parang awkward.
Diba? Parang ano mo feel? Pero sa tingin mo, ikaw, normal lang ba siya or?
Well, kasi the totga nga, it's hard because totga or the one that got away, right person, wrong time, it varies from person to person. And especially with the situation that they got to experience. It varies. Kaya ang daming nagde-debate nito if they believe in it, they don't, ganun. Kasi, like sa mga movies din, ang daming ganun na sila. Tapos, in between, may mga partners. So, akala nila, wrong person talaga. Kasi, we have partners na we're even married. So, hindi talaga yung right person. Pero, in the future pa pala, nag-meet sila kahit may anak na, kahit married na. So, diba, it's really hard. Diba? Diba? Alam mo, nakakatakot din kasi alam mo yung kasal na, tapos may anak na, pero hindi pala right person.
Alam mo yung fear ko.
Tapos mag-meet kayo in the future pa pala. Ano yung mga ganun, no?
Yan yung parang feeling ko, fear ko na makahanap ako ng tao na sobrang mamahalin ko. Tapos, mamahalin din ako. Okay kami. Pero yung purpose pala and yung destiny nyo is to just miss each other for their entire life. Gets ba?
Baka that person was the right person for that time and that time only. Mga ganun, no? Natakot na tuloy sa future. Pero, ang amazing, no? How timing is very key pala in finding someone. Like, even if, example, kasi with love, I strongly believe it's not just feelings-based. It's a choice. Like, example, ikaw, gusto ko na, ikaw na talaga, ikaw yung the person that I want to marry, have kids with. Pero sometimes, even if ikaw, intentions mo ganun, like very clear, clean, and very sure, pero sometimes it can be a one-sided thing. Like for you, it's not how you see it pala. Kaya, yeah, it's also really important when you find someone, dapat mutual yung understanding mo, yung intentions nyo. Especially that intentions are very hard to see. Kasi it's so easy to say it, but to show it is hard. Yeah. Mahirap, no? Like, ang dami nangyayari na between. Tapos, yung pinaka-end game pala is, the person you met 30 years before. Yung ganun.
Or, yung end game mo pala, hindi pa pinapanganak. Uy, pwede. Bakit? Diba?
Ganun. Like, may mga nakita din ako movies na, like, nag-meet sila, hindi nga sila nagkasila.
Mm.
Pero parang example, high school, sweetheart sila. Pero they had this very genuine love na kahit puppy love siya. Tapos in between of their lives, may mga anak na sila, married sila. Pero nag-meet sila nung matanda na sila. Tapos to think na puppy love lang sila noon. May nakita akong ganun. True story. Tapos ang galing, di ba? Kasi you really can't tell sometimes. Even if you want to be certain of the future.
Naiyak.
Yeah. So would you consider, is that right person, wrong time? Pero ang hirap.
Alam mo sa sinabi mo,
Mm.
parang,
Ah.
oo. Parang, medyo na
Right
ako
person,
na.
wrong time?
Merong ganun.
Merong
Sa ano
ganun.
mo
Oo.
sa mga kwento mo
Kaya it
kanina.
varies talaga, no?
Depende talaga,
Diba?
depende.
Depende.
Totga, the one that got aray.
The one that got away.
Favorite na favorite niya talaga yan.
Before.
Lagi mo yung before.
Kinakanta ko siya talaga pag nag-livestream.
May pinapatamaan.
Naman.
Pero at least, di ba, nasa healing stage ka na.
Yeah, and
Parang
I'm
yung
in
learnings
this-
mo.
Yeah, and I'm in this point na, kasi, yeah, again, with everything is a choice. So that, what I experienced before, I chose for it na, ako na mismo nag-decide na, that person may be the right person for that time only. And that's it. That's the end. Cut. Nothing more, nothing less. And now I'm in this point in my life na, okay, I move on and maybe, and I strongly believe there's a right person pa pala.
Pero may interaction pa rin kayo.
Ako? I mean like now?
Anong masasabi mo? Friends ba kayo na? Or naging na lang din talaga siya?
Parang,
Stranger na lang, back
hindi
to
naman
stranger.
sa stranger. Kasi grabe, di, may
may
pinagsamahan
na
din naman
oo.
na tayo. Pero, lang, like, pass is pass. That's it. You're just from there. Yeah. Kasi back again with Totka, I believe na the right person is timeless. So, if that time, hindi tayo nag-work, there's a reason for it and you're not the right person. That's how I see it.
Kaya gusto ko kung sino yung magiging first ko.
Mm-mm.
Yun yung papakilala ko talaga sa parents ko.
And maging right person.
And hopefully, magiging last.
Also, one last thing. And kasi, again, back with the everything is a choice. Even if you think that's the right person. Pero, everything is worked on. Parang, you both have to make an effort na kayo mismo magiging right person for the other person. So, yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Right person,
Alam mo,
right
dami ko
time.
natutunan sa mga sinabi mo.
Wow.
Kasi, hindi masamang, di ba yung iba parang naging standard, nakailan ka ng jowa, ganun. Tapos parang, nadjudge natin yung mga tao base dun sa kung nakailang ex na sila. Pero kasi yung iba, alam mo yun, may point sila na baka ganun, nag-explore sila para kapag nahanap na nila yung tao talaga, alam na nila yung gagawin nila. Yeah.
Like, every person they meet, there's a different learning they get
oo.
from them.
Yes, hindi masama. Ang masama, yung sobra-sobra.
I mean, in general, too much of something is a bad thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yun.
The one that got away.
Aray. Ay, remix.
It's like, song ni Katy Perry.
Yes. Alam mo, thank you. Kasi, ang dami kong, actually, di ba, kanina, sobrang strong ko na walang right person, wrong time. Pero after hearing your thoughts, meron nga.
So, you
meron.
believe in right person, wrong time nga?
Oo.
Okay.
Oo.
Ako naman hindi. Totoo nga. Kasi I feel like if that's the right person, that's the right person. Hindi, I mean before.
Okay.
Before na I used to believe. But now talaga, I believe na if right person, I won't think about time because time is timeless for me.
Yeah.
If I'm with you. Because you're the one. You're right. Yeah. Wow.
Kaya sa mga listeners natin, kayo, siguro pag nagmahal kayo, wag niyong ibigay lahat kasi okay lang din naman piliin yung sarili niyo.
And I mean, it should start with yourself then.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Self-love pa rin. Yeah.
Self-love para sa 2020? 8. Tinagalan.
Yeah.
Pero ayun, alam mo yun, parang ang sarap lang sa feeling na nakapag-usap tayo ng ganito. Kasi
Yeah.
hindi tayo nakakapag-usap ng ganito. Kasi alam mo, parang illegal siya sa P-pop world.
Taboo, very taboo.
Diba?
Oo.
Pero, yeah, let's normalize this topic. Kasi, alam nyo, kaming mga idols nyo, di ba? Tinuturing tayong idols na
Mga
ng
Lodi
blooms,
cakes.
ng blooms natin. Tinuturing nyo kami idols, pero lahat ng naranasan nyo, nararanasan din namin
Ay!
yan.
Wow.
Oo naman. Di ba? Hindi nyo sure kung may kausap ba kami ngayon, or hindi. Pero tao din kami, nagmamahal, nasasaktan, iniiwan.
Yeah, and also, disclaimer, the things that we have talked, maybe iba-iba yung mga pananaw ng iba, you
Totoo
know.
naman.
Kasi this is really a debatable topic. Like, a lot of people agree, a lot of people don't. But these are just our insights. So,
Yeah. Tsaka pwedeng
to
2
you.
years from now, pwedeng iba na naman yung yung thoughts ko about this, di ba?
Yeah,
Depende
it
sa
varies.
depende sa nangyayari.
Yeah.
Kasi dati wala pa naman yung, alam mo yun, wala namang MU dati. Parang,
It's either friends,
oo.
jowa, tapos kasal.
Yun na.
Diba?
Diba? So,
Ngayon
di
may
natin
mga
alam.
gantong terms na,
Totga.
ano yung situationship, totga, ano ba?
Ano ba yan?
Akala ko if you meet someone, yun na yun,
Yun na yun.
pakasal, happy ending. Pero,
True.
in life, things don't always work out. And sometimes it's okay because things happen for a reason.
And
Yeah.
for a lesson.
Yes,
Yeah.
for a lesson. I love that.
I love you. Tati Kaya,
Let's love ourselves.
nagawa natin to.
Yeah.
Kasi takot ako mag-open
Oo.
up. Kasi nga first time ko. And siguro may nalaman ng aking parents na hindi nila alam yun.
May nakatotga pala. Wala totga.
Wala,
Sabi niya,
wala,
hindi niya
wala.
consider as
Wala
totga.
pa.
Ay, sana wag naman.
Oh, ayaw
sana
naman.
the one
Oo,
lang.
the one na. The
Diba?
one na. Oo nga.
The one.
Yes! And that's it for our episode.
Yes. Totga or the one that got away.
Right person, wrong
time.
time.
And again, this is our podcast.
ng mga walang jowa!
If you guys enjoyed our episode, please listen to the rest of our podcast, Na Mga Walang Jowa. We have fresh episodes every Thursdays on Spotify.
Watch this podcast episode again on YouTube this coming Monday.
Don't forget to listen to our music then on Spotify. Just search Beanie. And if you guys want to check out some real-time updates of us, follow us in all our social media platforms. That's Beanie_PH.
Again, I'm Beanie Joanna.
I'm Beanie Aya.
And we are Beanie!
And thank you again for listening to our
Podcast ng mga walang jowa. 2, 3, thank you po!
B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I Beanie Podcast na mga walang jowa.
The views and opinions expressed by the podcast creators, hosts, and guests do not necessarily reflect the official policy and position of Podcast Network Asia, the hosts of the program, or other programs of the network. Any content provided by the people on the podcast are of their own opinion and are not intended to malign any religion, ethnic group, club, organization, company, individual, or anyone or anything.